Hi, my name is Daniel Collabolletta, and this is my Horizing 91 resin kit. It's also my fourth attempt at a resin kit. I had stumbled across this particular kit from a friend on the Kaiju Modelers Facebook group. My buddy John Heyman, he did a build of this kit, and when I saw it, I just thought to myself that I really needed to get this thing. So I hunted like everywhere trying to find this kit. There's only 40 of them in existence, and I got really lucky and found it on Bai Japan, which is a auction site that you can buy and import Japanese products to the US. It's a really great site to find rare kits and such. So when I got this kit, it was a really nice, sculpt. The only issues I had with this kit really is some pieces were solid resin, some were hollow, and they were keyed, but a lot of my pieces, they didn't really fit together very well, so I had to do a lot of sanding and prep work to get them to fit, and there was a lot of gaps. Even when I got them as best as I could, I didn't want to break anything because it's some of the pieces are hollow, so it felt brittle. So I had to use a lot of putty in some areas to like fill in gaps and all that stuff. The other issue I had was in his mouth. The teeth weren't formed all the way on some of the smaller teeth in the back, upper jaw, so I had to, this is my first time sculpting teeth ever, and I had to fill in some of the cavities and such to fix that up. But other than that, overall this kit was pretty cool. I didn't put any pins in him because he was hollow. So he's not as heavy as like some of the other resin kits I've made, particularly my TS Facto Godzilla 2000. That guy is pretty heavy, and he's solid resin, so like I pinned everything on him. So with this guy, I decided to do his traditional charcoal skin, and I did some like burnt umber oil washes across his body to give him like that earthy, dirty look. And I was inspired by the new Godzilla 91 from X Plus with the blue overspray they did on his dorsal. So I did something similar to make it look like he was powering up and ready to mess some dudes up. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I had a relatively easy time with this guy. The other issue I had is the dorsal fin instructions. There wasn't like a set, like which one goes where, so I kind of had to figure that out. But yeah, overall, he's a pretty killer build, and he's one of my favorites in my collection. So thank you for watching.